students, welcome to the science class. Children, we know that our universe is full of mysterious and wonderful objects. When we look at the sky, we find numerous stars, planets, moon, shining at night. We always wonder whether these objects are stationary, they are moving, how far they are, how big they are. Today, we shall be studying some of these objects. We know that we belong to the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy is among the numerous galaxies found in the universe. It consists of billions of stars. And in that only, at one corner, Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. And at one corner of the Milky Way galaxy is situated the solar system. Solar system is where we belong to. It's the family of the sun. The sun, the planets that revolve around the sun, their moons, asteroids, comets, etc. are the members of the solar system. So today we shall be studying about the sun and the planets. The sun. Sun is a medium-sized star. It is located at the center of the solar system. And the planets revolve around the sun due to its gravitational force. Sun is a medium-sized star. It is made up of gaseous material, mainly hydrogen and helium. Sun is very big compared to the planets. The temperature of the surface of the sun is around 6,000 degrees Celsius, whereas the temperature of the core may reach 15 million degrees. Our Earth is at a distance of about 150 million kilometers from the sun. Coming to the planets, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Out of these, the first 4, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, they are called inner planets. Whereas Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called outer planets. The inner planets are smaller compared to the outer planets. The inner planets are rocky, whereas the outer planets are gaseous objects. They are also known as Jovian planets or gas giants. The first planet, Mercury. Mercury is closest to the sun and it is the smallest planet. The temperature during the day is around 400 degrees Celsius. As Mercury is very small, the gravitational force is also very less, and due to that, there is no atmosphere. And at night, the temperature drops to around minus 200 degrees Celsius. Mercury is hardly visible due to the glare of the sun. But just before sunrise and just after sunset, we can see Mercury. The second planet in the inner planets, that is Venus. Venus is structurally similar to the Earth and in size also it is quite similar. That is why it is called the sister planet or the twin planet. Venus is the brightest planet and hottest because of the presence of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It also has nitrogen as well as clouds of sulfuric acid in its atmosphere. The very typical thing about Venus is that it spins in the opposite direction. Earth spins from west to east, Venus spins from east to west. The third planet is our Earth. Earth is a very unique planet. It is the only planet where there is an atmosphere which supports life. An atmosphere which consists of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases. It is the only planet which has water in its liquid form. Earth, as I said, is 150 million kilometers away from the sun and has a very suitable temperature where life is supported. The fourth planet is Mars. Mars is also called Mangal in Hindi. It is the red planet. The soil of Mars consists of iron oxide, which gives this reddish appearance. There are quite many similarities between Earth and Mars. On Mars, you will find craters, you will find mountains. The temperature, maximum temperature around 25 degrees Celsius, colder than the Earth. Some amount of atmosphere is also there, and that is why human beings are trying to find possibilities of life on Mars. The fourth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is 1300 times more in volume than Earth. As I said, Jupiter is a very big planet. It is among the gaseous planets and it has a large number of moons. Coming next is the Saturn. Saturn is called Shani in Hindi. Saturn spins very slowly, whereas Jupiter spins in the fastest. It spins very fast, whereas Saturn spins very slowly. Density of Saturn is very low. It is said that if it is kept in water, it will float on water. That means its density is lower than that of water. The most beautiful thing, or you can say distinguishing thing about Saturn is a system of rings around it. These rings are made up of ice crystals, rocky particles, etc. which shine due to the sunlight. Next is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet. It is the coldest. The atmosphere of the Uranus is coldest in the solar system. Uranus, the tilting of Uranus is perpendicular to the plane of rotation. That means, like our Earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees, it is tilted at 90 degrees. And like Venus, it also spins in the opposite direction, that is east to west. And Uranus is larger than the Earth. And last comes Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet, means it is quite away from the sun. Neptune also takes a long time to revolve around the sun. All the planets, they revolve around the sun in a concentric orbit, concentric elliptical orbit. Due to the gravitational force of the sun, they go around the sun. And this revolution, this is called revolution. When the planets move around the sun in the elliptical orbit, it is called revolution. Each planet has different period of revolution. Like Earth revolves around the sun once in 365 days and 6 hours. That we call it as a 1 year. Planets also rotate around their axis. That is called rotation. They spin around their axis. Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. That is called a day. So children, I hope that you will find this video helpful in understanding about the planets and the sun. In the next video, we shall study about the asteroids, comets and artificial satellites. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.